Imagine waking up and seeing a payment notification on your phone while you were sleeping. That's exactly what happened to a guy who started using ChatGPT with nothing but his smartphone and internet connection. No office, no expensive setup, no rich parents. In 2026, people are quietly making money online using AI tools like ChatGPT, writing content, selling digital products, running faceless YouTube channels, and even starting online businesses from their bedrooms. And today I'm going to show you exactly how beginners are making money with ChatGPT in 2026 and how you can start today. Welcome back to AI Smart Plug, the channel where we turn AI tools into real income using just your smartphone. If you want more videos about AI side hustles, online business ideas, and passive income strategies, hit the subscribe button right now, and let's get started. The first way to make money with ChatGPT in 2026 is by selling AI-powered services. Most small business owners are too busy to write social media captions, emails, blog posts, or YouTube scripts. That's where you come in. You can use ChatGPT to create Instagram captions, blog articles, product descriptions, YouTube scripts, email newsletters, and even resume writing services. Then sell those services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Facebook groups, LinkedIn, or even WhatsApp. For example, if someone needs 30 Instagram captions for their business, you can ask ChatGPT to generate them in minutes and charge good money for the service. The best part? You don't need to be an expert writer anymore. AI helps you work faster. The second method is one of my favorites: creating digital products. Digital products are things people can download online instantly. Examples include ebooks, AI prompt packs, study notes, business templates, CV templates, YouTube script bundles, and ChatGPT cheat sheets. You can use ChatGPT to create the content quickly, then upload the product to platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, Etsy, or Promptbase. Imagine creating one ebook once and selling it again and again without printing anything. Some creators are making passive income every single month from simple digital products created with AI. Even if you're a student, you can create study materials or educational guides and sell them online. The third way is starting a faceless YouTube channel using ChatGPT. This is exploding in 2026. You don't need to show your face anymore. ChatGPT can help you find viral video ideas, write scripts, create catchy titles, generate video descriptions, and plan content calendars. You can combine ChatGPT with free AI voice tools and video editing apps to create videos directly from your smartphone. Popular faceless niches include AI news, celebrity stories, motivation, finance, history, tech facts, and horror stories. Once your channel grows, you can make money through YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and even selling your own products. One viral video can completely change your life. Another powerful method is affiliate marketing. This means promoting other people's products and earning commissions for every sale. ChatGPT can help you write blog posts, create TikTok scripts, write product reviews, generate email marketing content, and create social media posts. For example, you can promote AI tools, online courses, software, or digital products. When someone buys using your link, you earn money. This is one of the easiest business models for beginners because you don't need to create your own product first. Listen carefully. In 2026, AI is not replacing people. People using AI are replacing people who ignore it. The earlier you learn these tools, the bigger your advantage becomes. You don't need to be perfect to start. You just need to start. If you enjoyed this video and want more AI money-making ideas, subscribe right now to AI Smart Plug and comment below AI Money if you're ready to start making money with ChatGPT in 2026.